Hey, art friends, we're really excited about today's video because we have an awesome surprise to share with you. And we haven't been able to talk about this for a long time, but today's the day. We can finally tell our art friends about this amazing surprise.
I'm really excited for this surprise.
Now it's all wrapped up, but we got to unwrap it so that they can see what it is.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the honors and explode the wrapping paper off?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a book.
Yeah, it's a book. It's our book. And it has 30 step-by-step drawing projects inside, plus a lot of other really cool stuff. And we've been working on this for a long time.
Yeah.
And I can't wait for our art friends to get it.
Yes.
So parents and teachers, the book is available for pre-order today. You can click the link below this video to find out where to purchase. Now, pre-orders are really important, especially for us at this time, because we're a first-time author. That means the more pre-orders we get, the more retailers will order it. And what does that mean?
More people can get it.
Yeah, more people can get it. It can be available in more places. And we want to say one more thing to our friends, don't we?
Thank you very much.
Yes, we want to say thank you for all of your support. If it wasn't for your support, publishing our book wouldn't have been possible. So thank you. We love you very much, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.